स्वर्ग की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। तू स्वर्ग की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Great honor to welcome you all to the 11th annual convocation. It is our greatest pleasure that Sri Harishankar Singhania, who is not only a legend in the corporate sector, but has also left his inevitable mark on the Indian higher education landscape, is with us this evening to deliver the convocation address. It is very rarely that you find a person on whom the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi and Goddess Saraswati have been bestowed so generously as on Sri Singhania. It is impossible to think of a better person to award the diplomas to a group of ambitious and competitive body of students eager to go out to the broader world and announce their arrival. We are indeed grateful to you, sir. Convocation is literally the D-Day for an academic institution like ours. This is the day which symbolizes the culmination of all efforts that we put in during the year. It is appropriate to mention here that 142 students of the PGDBM program have qualified to get the diplomas after satisfying the stringent academic requirements as prescribed by the Institute. I am also happy to bring it to your notice that all those who were found eligible for placement have already been placed through the campus interview. I wish all of them a very bright future. Once a teacher, which I am, is always a teacher. And therefore, I cannot resist the temptation of giving the passing out batch a little advice in this solemn occasion. A good education is only a small part of your preparation for the career that you would like to develop for yourself. Previously, lifelong education was more of an ideal. Today, it is a singular necessity. All of us have to keep an open mind so that we can go on imbibing the ever-increasing flows of ideas, information, and skills. This we can do only if we keep burning the fire of curiosity. Anatole France, one of the best literary figures in France of the 19th century, said once, and I quote,